Stop by and take a look at the 2015 CR-V. CR-V, a top recommended vehicle because of its car-like driving manners, good value, cool technology, and comfy interior. This vehicle has less than 120,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, fog lights, power brakes, braking assist, voice-activated navigation system, leather trim seats, audio, internet radio, Pandora, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.